Teamwork Model Technology Company Limited is a professional and technical service enterprise integrating handboard and small batch, painting and injection molding. Founded in 2015, the company has been focusing on industrial design and hand modeling for 4 years. Foshan is one of the earliest hand model factory. The company with high quality and high efficiency to attract a large number of customers at home and abroad. The concept of teamwork is manufacturing service. Professional make engineers more convenient. The company has 20 sets of high-precision CNC machining center, can produce high-quality handboards. With the linear cutting, lathe, high-efficiency management philosophy, so that the production speeds faster. Give full play to the greatest passion and work. Professional technical team, drawing analysis, repair, disassembly, and technical docking. 10-wall model for your design to remove trouble. For R&D to improve efficiency. Injection molding makes design more convenient. Advanced equipment, solid foundation, fine management, and rigorous technical team. It is the best guarantee of our quality. Teamwork has its own silicon mold workshop, introducing advanced Japanese mold technology and imported silica gel combined with SLA 3D printing technology to provide customers with the most cost-effective small batch handmade. Teamwork has its own quality control department. In order to ensure the quality, we will use a variety of testing equipment to carry out the inspection in each link and conduct the final inspection before shipment.